Hi guys, it's Mr. A with AlisalCAN Community Arts Network and Alisal Union School District. In this video, we're going to work on the exercise called Chords. Not chords, but chords. CH makes a K sound. Chords. To make this easy to see, I've zoomed in my screen a little bit. If you're not sure how to do that, it depends on the computer, but try and find some place to zoom in if you're having a difficult time seeing. I've zoomed into 200% to make it easier to see here. In chords, you're going to see a piano keyboard. Not a full one, but just what we want to look at right here. If you're not sure exactly how a piano keyboard works, that's just fine. We're going to start very simple. The piano keyboard is made up of some white keys and some black keys. White keys on the bottom, black keys on the top. And you'll notice that there's a little bit of a pattern going on. 2 black keys, 3 black keys. 2 black keys, 3 black keys. The spaces in between, it's a white key and a white key. A chord is going to be made up of 3 different keys selected at the same time that go paired together. We're going to see that by clicking on this first white key on the left side, and that is what is a chord from that key. 1, 2, 3 notes. Now, this chord is different. It uses one of the black keys highlighted. This chord uses a black key. This chord uses only white keys. We'll talk about that in the next video as we move on. But for now, know that you can move to any key and it will select what type of chord wants to be played. If you move to the very top, you'll notice that you don't get all 3 notes. That's because those keys would go higher and higher on the keyboard, and they're just not here for this exercise. I'll see you back in part 2 real soon.